Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel the Forex Nexus. In today's video we will discuss about the reentry extreme protocols, that if we get a re-entry on any time frame, so how we will make confirmation on that and what will be the protocols. So this is Dow Jones US30 monthly chart, and here we got the CSD. CSD means the candlestick direction. The market break the middle band and the candle close outside of the band. So we got a bullish CSD here at this point. At this point we got the CSD. Now at this point we have two scenarios that the market can carry on its bullish move, but there are something on the short time frame like weekly and daily. If we got these signs, so it means that the market can retrace back to the Bbma 510 low for a re-entry buy. So this is the area where the market can drop possibly, and here we need some confirmation at this point. At this point we need some confirmation. If we got those confirmation, we can take our trade and we can hold our trade for if we hold for 3 candles, take profit rules. So at this point we may close our trade on the upper Bbma monthly time frame. So let's move to the weekly time frame and daily time frame. Here we got the CSD at this point. I think at this point we got the CSD, yeah, but you can see here there are, at this point, if the Bollinger Bands were expanding on the second time frame weekly, this time on this time frame you can see here it start squeezing. Also on daily time frame you can see here it's flat. It means that the market is coming back for re-entry on monthly time frame. These are the reversal signs that the market is coming down for a re-entry. Now if you get CSD on any time frame, so make sure that if the Bollinger Band is still expanding, it means that the market can move further upside or lower side. If you get sell CSD, so the market can move downside, but the condition is on the small lower time frame like H4 and H1. If the Bollinger Band is expanding, it means on daily time frame it can drop more in the sell scenario. But in bullish scenario, in bull side, if you got CSD on bull side, it means on H4 and H1 time frame the Bollinger Band are expanding. It means on daily time frame the market can move further upside. So now on daily, on monthly time frame we got CSD. On weekly time frame we got a Bollinger Band curve shape. On daily time frame we got the Bollinger Band flat, and we didn't got any momentum, and the market is coming down for a re-entry. Now at this point let me mark this area. Monthly, this is monthly area for buy. Remember when you make a trading journal for your daily routine, so first of all you need to identify a re-entry. Okay, then move to second time frame. It's a monthly weekly time frame, but mostly we are using H4, H1 and M15, but this is just an example. Now don't move to third time frame until you get a second time frame confirmation. So wait for the extreme here. You can see here the MA510, the MA5 get outside of the lower band on weekly time frame. It means that you got confirmation. At least wait until the market hit the lower band. On daily time frame, you can see here the market is getting close inside the Bollinger Band and the MA5 is getting outside of the lower band. It means that we got extreme here at this point on third time frame. So the entry is REE, re-entry, extreme and extreme. On first time frame we got the re-entry on monthly MA510 low. On weekly time frame we got the extreme. On third time frame we also got the extreme. If you further analyzing your re-entry, then move to H4. Here you got the extreme plus MLV with Bollinger Band curve shape, and now the Bollinger Band is expanding, the upper band expanding. It indicating that market can go upside, but this re-entry this bullish re-entry is second time frame, so wait for the confirmation. This re-entry is not a valid re-entry because the market didn't make any confirmation on second time frame. On M15 you might get the confirmation because we got here an extreme, but this is invalid. This is not a valid entry. Like this one, the current M15, so you need to wait for the lower band on M5, and on M1 you need extreme plus MLV. So taking any trade, always you got a re-entry on H4, move to H1 for confirmation. Don't jump to the third time frame until you get the confirmation on second time frame. Make this rule. You will get the accuracy, good accuracy, because the M15 will make you in rush to take an entry, because they will on 15 you will get extreme points, and first time frame and third time frame will make you aggressive, because on H4 time frame you will see a re-entry MA510 low. On a third time frame you will see an extreme, but on second time frame you will miss the confirmation, and it may hit your stop losses. Several times you can get your stop losses, but before going to the third time frame, stick with second time frame. When it confirm, then move to M15, and always wait for the extreme plus MLV. And if the market is not coming back for the MLV, then wait for the early CST or CST. So this is the REE re-entry, extreme and extreme protocols. You must need to write it down and start practicing on it. If you have any question related to this lesson, ask me in the comment section below. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.